When you're looking for a hard part that will quickly and effectively enhance your Harley, you turn to S&S Cycle. And today, we're going to look at the S&S Cycle Stinger Air Filter Air Kit for your Harley. S&S claims you'll see a 55% increase in airflow compared to factory, and they achieve that by focusing on increasing the surface area of the filter. More importantly, making sure that their air cover doesn't smother the filter while maintaining a low-profile fit. I think that's a pretty unique engineering feat. As if it couldn't get any better, the filter is washable. This means you can clean it, reuse it, and because it's made from quality materials, this is going to last you for years with proper maintenance. This comes as a complete kit that's ready to be installed. We've got the stylish cover, air filter, backing plate, we've got bolts and O-rings and everything you're going to need to get the job done. Available for a wide range of HD models from 2001 to present, you're bound to find one that'll work for you, but be sure to use the Kirk My Garage tool. It's real simple. This is where you can enter the year, make, and model of your machine, search for S&S Cycle Air Cleaner kits, and you'll get the exact one that'll fit your ride.